Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to it if you have not, and do not forget to hit the bell button present on the right side of it to get the notifications about it. Summers are here and is skin damage for sure. Here I am again with an instant trick to battle sun and reverse the damage, not completely, but yes, with the passage of time. I think all the beauty conscious people know about charcoal. Internet is full of videos and ads talking about charcoal face mask. See, charcoal has many health benefits and is used in teeth whitening products, has antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial and detoxifying properties also. Activated charcoal has many important benefits for the skin. It is known for its properties to deeply clean the dirt and impurities present inside the pores of skin. Also helps to treat acne. I recently put my hands on this new face mask which has activated charcoal present in it. I'm going to review and tell my opinion on it to you. This product claims that it will deeply clean and purify the skin. It will remove out all the dirt, clean clogged pores, get rid of toxin, build up for healthy and youthful skin. So I believe it is an easy route to clear skin. So first of all, about packaging. It comes out in a glass jar kind of bottle, small in size. It did not had any reaction on my face, but I'll suggest you to do a patch test first. It has a very smooth texture and is easy to spread it on skin and is easy to remove also. This mask is ideal for blackheads, whiteheads, acne and pimples, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now the benefits are deep pore cleaning, it hides visible pores, it is anti-acne, blackhead removal, skin exfoliation, oil control, skin whitening, skin lightening also. People with oily skin should definitely try this. This makes my face glowing, oiliness is also reduced, results are equal to a professional facial. So that is why I am suggesting it to you, because before suggesting it I have used it 10 times on my face. Now about color, fragrance, consistency and texture. It is greyish in color and has a thick consistency. Citrusy fragrance and smooth in texture. It glides and spreads easily on skin. And mask does not feel heavy at all and small quantity covers the whole face. Next is how to use it. With the help of your fingers, take out a generous amount of this face mask and smoothly massage it on your clean face. The usage, directions and shelf life are mentioned on the container. Overall, the packaging is simple, sturdy and travel friendly. Its regular use will definitely make the skin clear and will remove tan also. What I'll suggest is do not use it more than twice a week, else it will make your skin dry. Now keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry completely. Now rinse off with plain water and pat dry your skin with clean towel. Now spray a little bit of toner on your face. This is the toner I bought from purple.com, I told you, and it is from Good Vibes only, and I am very much satisfied with this toner. Very soon I will do the review of this toner also with you. Now apply some suitable moisturizer on your face just to avoid the dryness caused by this mask. It turned out to be really amazing before and after experience. I am in love with this product and I'll surely order more. After using this, my skin was looking clean and refreshed. This mask makes my skin acne free. My face was looking clearer and brighter also. I'll give it a rating of 5 out of 5. So this is all for today. Stay connected for the next one. Till the time, bye. And do not forget to give the thumbs up if you like the video.